Today I'll be showing you how to play the first phrase of Prayer by Kendrick Lamar. It's a beautiful instrumental, and we'll start off with understanding the scale, which is the key of B major. So if you take your time, you can get to know the scale. So knowing that it's in the key of B helps us to not have to hunt blindly. Then after that, so let's get to know the melody. So we got this descending melody. So this is just a single note melody. For this I'm using fingers 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and next we've got the bass notes, which are written over here. And now together. So that would be an easy version that you can do. Very minimal, just the bass and the melody. And then we can build upon that. So after your left hand can play the single note bass line. You can try adding a second note. Let's add the fifth. And for this, your finger 5 will be moving everywhere. And then when we get to G sharp and C, we're going to make an octave. So G sharp gets an octave, C sharp gets an octave. So once more. And then here's a single note on A sharp, octave, G sharp, octave on C sharp. So let's try that with your right hand. So that mostly covers the left hand. Okay, next for your melody, we can add a second note. We can choose a sixth. So your finger 5 will now get the melody in the top, and your thumb will get a sixth below. And then when you get here, you'll have 1 on G, and then next, for this chord, you'll get G sharp. So together it sounds like this. And then lastly, you can try adding a third note in between to fill out the chord. For this we'll add 2. Here we have a 3 on the C. This is for the G sharp. And then the 3 goes to B. So once more. And then with both hands. And then now up to speed. So those are the 3 levels that you can play this first phrase, either with single notes, then with 2 notes in the left hand, and then 2 notes added in the right hand, and then eventually 3 notes in the right hand. So that's just the first phrase. There's also 2 more phrases, 3 phrases in all. If you'd like the full detailed tutorial where I explain in detail about the scale and also about how to construct and understand these chords, feel free to comment prayer in the comments below and I'll send it your way for free.